Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about Data Warehouse Process Manager. Data Warehouse Load Manager. Load Manager performs the operations required to extract and load the data into the database. The size and complexity of a load manager varies between specific solutions from one data warehouse to another. The load manager does perform the following functions: extract data from the source system, fast load the extracted data into temporary data store, perform simple transformation into structure similar to the one in the data warehouse. Extract data from source. The data is extracted from the operational database or the external information providers, gateways or the application programs that are used to extract data. It is supported by underlying DBMS and allow the client program to generate SQL to be executed at the server. Open database connection and Java database connection are examples of gateway. Fast load. In order to minimize the total load window, the data needs to be loaded into the warehouse in the fastest possible time. Gateway technology is not suitable once they are inefficient when large data volumes are involved. Simple transformation. While loading, it may be required to perform simple transformation. After completing simple transformation, we can do some complex checks. Suppose we are loading the EPOS sales transaction, we need to perform the following check. String out all the columns that are not required within the warehouse. Convert all the values to required data types. In order to minimize the total window, the data needed to be loaded into the warehouse in the fastest possible time. Transformation affect the speed of data processing. It is more effective to load the data. Warehouse Manager. The Warehouse Manager is responsible for the warehouse management process. It consists of a third-party system software, C program, and shell scripts. The size and complexity of a warehouse manager varies between specific solutions. A warehouse manager includes the following: the controlling process, stored procedures or C with SQL, backup or recovery tool, SQL scripts. Functions of Warehouse Manager. A warehouse manager performs the following function: analyzes the data to perform consistency and referential integrity checks, creates indexes, business views, partition views against the base data, generates new aggregation and updates the existing aggregation, generates normalization, transform and merges the source data of the temporary store into the published data warehouse, backs up the data in the data warehouse, achieves the data that has reached the end of its captured life, transforms and merges the source data of the temporary store into the published data warehouse. Query Manager. The Query Manager is responsible for directing the queries to suitable tables. By directing the queries to appropriate table, it speeds up the query request and response process. In addition, the Query Manager is responsible for scheduling the execution of the queries posted by the user. A Query Manager includes the following components: query redirection via C-tool or RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, stored procedures, query management tool, query scheduling via C-tool or RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, query scheduling via third-party software. Functions of Query Manager. It presents the data to the user in a form they understand. It schedules the execution of the queries posted by the end user. It stores query profiles to allow the warehouse manager to determine which indexes and aggregations are appropriate. So the functions of Query Manager includes the following three functions. It presents the data to the user in a form they understand. It schedules the execution of the queries posted by the end user. Thank you.